Hey students, here's a short screencast just to show you what the public service announcement looks like in the editing side in WeVideo. But first, I want to point out that you're going to have to decide which of these three parts to your campaign your PSA, your public service announcement, is going to support. You could make a public service announcement using information you've gathered about why it's an issue. Or you could make a public service announcement addressing a counterclaim. Your public service announcement might present the opposite side of your argument, which is called the counterclaim, but then it should refute it. It should offer a rebuttal. Why is that counterclaim wrong? Why is your side of the issue correct? What I did is I made a PSA for a call to action. That means assuming I've convinced people that yes, cheating is a problem in society and in schools, what can they do about it? And so I focused on this. So eventually, when I pull my website together, it's going to have these three different pages and a home page, and my PSA is going to be on my call to action page. Okay, let's just take a look at what it looks like in WeVideo. Here I've got all three of these things started. And WeVideo, if you haven't used it, if you haven't been in video production or used it in another class, it's pretty powerful. This, the star thing here, the Essentials library, I guess, is pretty new. It's got a bunch of stock footage here. See, they showed me all the stock footage and pictures that they have for if I typed in the word zoo. So what I found a bunch of my footage and images and music and stuff by going to schools, and found some stuff here. And then look, you can sort by just videos, just photos. If I take all these off, it'll only pull up the videos that they have related to school. We've got a school playground, 16 seconds. Right, okay, so there's a bunch you can do here. Just notice these different tabs. If you've never used it before, it takes a little time to learn, play around with it. Graphics, transitions, audio, right? So, and then, but look at what my video looks like down here. I have a voiceover track. Notice you can do your voiceover right in WeVideo with the built-in microphone, just by clicking that button right here. You can make a screencast like that. You can upload your own pictures. I added another audio track. This is some music. Notice you can make little adjustments to the volume here just by adding little dots and moving it around. So I can lower the volume from there. Don't mess it up too much. Okay, and then I've got this video 2. This track overlays the track below. So if I've got some text right here, notice I've got this text. There's nothing here, so only that's appearing. But if I were to move that and put it over the picture down here, how about I stretch it like that, then notice it'll appear like over the picture, right? So there's all sorts of things you can do here. It's a very powerful program, and I know it'll take some time just to practice with if you haven't done it before. So, okay, well, I just wanted to show you what my whole video looks like on these different tracks down here to show you what yours might look like when you're done with it and get a picture for it. So, all right, thank you, and good luck.